I'm standing here confident and a bit overwhelmed, not because I am confident, but because I went on a small adventure, highly popular, known as a trek. My story begins 3 months ago, where I was sitting beside my father. We were talking about my upcoming board examinations, and suddenly a message popped up on my phone. Our school, Delhi Public School Bijnor, is taking us on a trek. I was amazed. I was flabbergasted. I called up my friends and said, "Bhai, हमें तो चलना ही है. We will reach the mountain tops before anyone else does." We were very excited. We started dreaming about it, and for a moment, we forgot our board examinations. So, to focus on our board, I kept the trek aside and I studied. After my examinations ended, I again called my friends. भाई shopping करने चलें, अब तो board भी खत्म हो गए. And they were like, "You can go alone. Our parents denied us to go." And for me, that was it. I was too afraid to go alone. I didn't want to go out of my comfort zone because I was alone. I was too uncourageous and I was really upset. I made up my mind, I will not go on the trek, blah, blah, blah. But my parents insisted me that no, Devansh, you have to go because they knew what a trek does to a child's life. To be honest, when I reached the trek base camp, I was like, my life is set. Nice pictures, cool reels, and adventure mode on. But reality hit me after 1 hour. Mummy, mujhe ghar jana hai. And for me, that wasn't the worst part, to be honest. My legs said, "We aren't walking anymore." They were trembling. And my lungs said, "We resign." And the most disturbing thing for me was, my mind even said me that I am switching off. You control your body on yourself only. Now I'm by my own. I saw there the people who were winning on the trek weren't the one who were being fast. They were the one who were being consistent. And if we put this consistency in our lives, you never know where you reach in your lives. At the day one, I was like, I'll be the hero. I'll stay at the front. I'll do this. I'll do that. But I couldn't. I was afraid that what if I fail? What if I can't do it? What if I don't do it? Then a person said to me, "Take it slow, bro." And I said, "Bhai, isse dheere kya karu main ab?" But for me, that really worked. I was ahead of everyone because I was consistent. I wasn't slow, I wasn't fast, I was consistent. I reached the top before anyone else. And the best part, no reels, no phones, no music, no distractions, bas main aur meri tanhai. And the best part, it was peaceful, it was very memorable. After I reached the top, I was like, damn, I actually did it. And then I thought, I was a person 2 days ago who was afraid to come here, who was denying to come here, who thought that we couldn't do it. But for me, I didn't give up. For me, that was it. I'll conclude my story by stating that nowadays people are too afraid to get out of their comfort zone that they don't even try. People think that trying will give them anxiety, and this word should be removed of the dictionary only. I'm stating my conclusion by saying that now it's your turn to shine. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to shine brighter. People, you have to understand, the mountains are not what makes it tough. It's you what makes it tough. It's your mind what makes it tough. Lastly, the mountains are not stronger than you. Your fear is not stronger than you. Your doubt is not stronger than you. It's you what stops you. Thank you and have a nice day.